Hello. I wanted to share with you, I guess you could call it like a learning hack of sorts, where it's something that I have tried to over optimize for myself, where I feel like all of us go through phases where it's just like, I'm going to optimize every single little thing. Or is it just me? But one that I've done for several years that has been effective in a way is how I've very passively learned Morse code, and I've written about it on my blog, and I will link it in the description. But um, I wanted to show you what I do to like passively learn Morse code in my over optimizations of the day. And so I'm pulling up my phone here. And if you were to go to your contacts, and then for any particular contact, what you can do is you can add custom vibrations. And so I have all of these custom vibrations for every single letter of the alphabet. You can create new vibrations, like this is shave and a haircut, 2 bits. And then I'll just save that as shave and a haircut. But 1 second, let me type that. What you can do is for every person in your phone, you can assign it these types of custom haptics. But you don't have to do it for just contacts. You could do it for wherever you can assign some kind of custom vibration. But I do it specifically for contacts, where whenever I add a new person to my phone, I make the first letter of their name the custom vibration, and so my husband Joe, he gets J, my sister Cami, she gets C, my mom gets M, etc. Now that I have just everyone in my life with a custom vibration, I've slowly but surely learned Morse code, where, like, if I'm hearing, like, the S sound and the J sound, I can be working, and if I hear my phone buzzing, I'm just like, "Okay, that's probably Steph and Joe texting about dinner tonight." Or I could say like, "Okay, I can hear based on this group of texts, that's definitely my cousin group chat blowing up right now." And it's a good way to not only learn Morse code, but also kind of know when it's like, "Oh, my family is texting, I need to check," or, "Oh, this is probably just, like, silly gossip," or whatever. And it's a weird over-optimization, but it's been really fun, and so anyway, try it. I've done it. This is me doing it on my iPhone, and I've done it for several years. I don't know how to do it on an Android phone, but Androids tend to be way easier to customize than iPhones, so I'm just gonna assume you can do that. But anyway, do you optimize things? I'm curious. I like hearing about these tiny little micro optimizations that do make your life a little bit easier, even though we should probably not optimize everything and just live our lives. But comment below if you optimize stuff. That's it. I'll talk to you later. Bye.